Good morning, guys. Good morning. Or afternoon, should I say. How are you today? I'm alright. How are you guys? Thank you guys for the gifts. Let him out. Yeah, right. Every time I let him out, this guy... Let him out. Yeah, right. Every time I let him out, this guy runs to the road. I literally can't let him out anymore because of that. Doing good. Annie, thank you. Guys, thank you. Meow, shut the fuck up. How about that before I shut it up for you? Sorry, guys. Cheryl, thank you. Annie, thank you, guys. Thank you. That was a joke, by the way. Sunday Funday. Just waiting for my coffee. Scott, thank you guys, thank you. Meow. Zip your freaking lips. Hello from Newfoundland. What's good? How's Newfoundland? You're looking a little down. I'm feeling a little great. How about that? I'm feeling a little amazing. That's weird that I look down when I feel amazing. That's odd how it works. That's odd how jealousy works. Yo, Sky, thank you. Diane, thank you guys. Where are you? I'm at my dad's, my house. I'm always at my house, chilling, waiting for my coffee. Sounds not synced. That sucks. And thank you, Stacy. Thank you. You do not look down. I didn't think so. I look amazing. I feel amazing. So if I look down, that's some weird ass shit. Yo, Meow, what's up? Stop meowing. You're annoying. Mary, thank you. CJ, thank you. Chilling like a villain, always. Chilling like a villain. Marianne, thank you. Looking pretty fire, always looking fire. Shannon, thank you for the roses. Marianne, thank you. Did you watch the fights? No, I did not watch the fights, no. I went to bed actually kind of early last night, so no, I didn't watch the fights. Mary, thank you. Diane, thank you guys. Thank you for the gifts. Tappers, thank you. You look amazing as always. Thank you. I always look amazing. Did you have a good sleep? Yeah, really good sleep. Really good sleep, actually. Slept really nice. I did too. Good for you. What are you up to today? Not too much, just kind of hanging out, watching sports. Not too sure yet, just kind of playing it by ear. My sweetie, thank you. Thank you guys, thank you. Did you watch the hockey game last night? I watched a little bit of it to like the second period, but that was about it. Me too, lazy day, good. My sweetie, what's good? Edmonton won last night, nice. How's the weather today? It is like kind of looking like it might rain today. Jacques is coming over for a bit. We're gonna chill for a bit, so I'm excited to see my boy. And then just playing COD, chilling. My sweetie, thank you. Blondie, thank you. Sundays are meant to chill. Oh, for sure. Rainy, sunny, fun days. That's it. Are you trying to land some Taylor Swift tickets in November? Yeah, if you give it to me for free. And I can go wherever I want, yeah. Send it to me. If you want. Blondie, thank you. Karen, thank you. Hey, what's good? How you guys doing? Tappers, thank you. 19K taps. I have work today. Good for you. That's good. Sandra, thank you. Karen, thank you. Hey, Jen, what's good? Hot in the UK. Oh, wow. Usually it's like this kind of weather, so I guess we switched weathers today. It's nice here, it's hot there. Hope you have a good time with Jocks. Always a good time with Jocks. Me and Jocks will chill, it'll be good. So glad AGM's coming over, fucking right. There's Spuddy. CJ, thank you. Julie, thank you. Who are you picking in the NBA Finals? I'm thinking, I don't know the teams right now. I think it's the Mavs and Boston. If Boston is in it, I hope Boston wins, to be honest. That'd be sick. Yeah, I want Celtics to win. I think Celtics would be sick. Toppers, top that screen, toppers, top you, top. BCB has been all over my For You page. Oh, maybe we'll make a nice BCB video. Karen, thank you. Grotto Girls, thank you. Boston Celtics all the way. Yeah, I would say Boston Celtics too. I just want to see like a different kind of like change in the NBA a bit. The Celtics haven't won for a long time. And I got a Larry Bird jersey, and Boston is just sick. Love their jersey, so it would be sick to see Boston win it, to be honest. Hey, good morning, Maria. Hope you're having a good morning. My sound is off. Turn it on. I don't know what to say. I don't know what else to say. Like, turn it on or figure it out. Yo, Toppers, thank you. 30K tops. Top that screen, Toppers. My daughter just went to a Celtics game. Oh, nice. How was that? Sound is perfect. Yeah, sound's perfect for everyone else. That's what I'm saying. If your sound's off, just fix it. I don't know what to tell you there. Rita, thank you. Cinnamon, thank you. You're cute. Good. Try so hard to be cute. Better be cute. Toppers, thank you. 33K tops. Top that screen. You had a good morning. Good morning every morning. Every morning is a good morning. But real? Yeah, had a really good morning. Woke up feeling better than ever. When you feel good though, means you got a lot of shit to do as well. So I got a lot of shit I gotta do, but it's all good shit. So when I got people trying to bring me down low key, like just in weird ass vibes, I don't let that shit happen. So that's why I just push over that, because you get some weird people kind of just like little rats in a sewer just kind of pulling you down, like just like every time you're having a good vibe. So it's just like, fuck those people. You know what I'm saying? And there's a lot of like so-be-called fans that are like that as well. So fuck those people as well. 39K tops, and you all know who you are, just so you know. Yo, my sweetie, thank you. Pamela, thank you. You all know who you are. Yo, Cheeto, what's up, buddy? Amen. And I don't call out names, never call out names, not my personality. You know what I'm saying? But we'll move on now, move on to positive attitude. You got nothing nice to say, you can leave. Chanel, what's good? Ask me questions, guys. Whatever you guys want to hear, ask me questions. You guys are here for my time. What do you guys want to hear? What do you guys want to hear? What do you guys want to know? What do you guys ask me questions? Whatever you want. Diana, thank you. Rosa, thank you. So humble. Yes, humble. Always humble. Gotta be humble. Gotta be humble in this world. Have you heard from Alex? Yes, he should be here in about 20 minutes, my guess. 20 minutes. I'd say about 20 minutes. I miss Kick. Nice. Are you asking me if I want to go back on Kick or when? Not too sure. We'll see. Or are you asking me if I miss Kick? Yeah, I do. I would like to get back on Kick soon. I just don't know when exactly I'll be back on Kick. Guess who's back? Back again. Stacy's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Who? Guess who's back? Who? Guess who's back? Who? Guess who's back? Who? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? What's your favorite vacation place? My favorite vacation place? I don't have a favorite vacation place. I've never really been around the world, so I can't say what my favorite vacation place is. If I had to pick like between every place I went to so far, I would probably go with either Paris or Jamaica. Not too sure. Paris or Jamaica, depending, you know? Paris was nice, that beach that I was on. It's hard. Hard choice. Freckle, thank you for the roses. Thank you. You have to come to Latin America. Yeah. What makes you the happiest? What makes me the happiest? Just living life. I don't know. There's not one thing in the world that just makes you the happiest. It's just being alive, being balanced, knowing, not worrying about 1,000 things at once, taking your life accordingly. That's what's gonna make you feel good. There's not one thing that makes you happy. So sweet, Sonia, thank you guys, thank you. But yeah, I would just say, yeah, just feeling good. Come to vacation in Mississippi. I would love to. Never been to Mississippi. I would love to. I wanted to do maybe a road trip around the States eventually. I'm not too sure when, but eventually I would like to do a nice road trip around the States. Toppers, thank you. 64K tops. It'd be nice. I got a meet and greet question today, so if we did do a road trip around the States, that's when I would tell you guys to bring me some food, meet me somewhere, cook for me, give me a massage, do my toenails, maybe cut my grass, change my tires, fill my gas, meet me in Georgia. As soon as you guys are there, we all meet up. We'll meet in like Nashville, wherever we want, and we have little meetups. And maybe we can go to Dave & Buster's or Top Golf or something together, have some drinks and stuff. Probably gonna need a buddy to travel with, probably won't travel alone, maybe travel alone. We'll see. Those are future plans, I don't know. It could be tomorrow, could be in a month, you never know. That's the thing, that's life right now. You just don't know. My coffee should be here, guys. We'll have a coffee and then we'll finish the coffee and get going. So ask your questions. I did my free cameos today. I'll be crushing some cameos today. Kick, I'm not sure when we'll be on Kick. Like I said, there's no Instagram notifications for going live. It is all on Discord, so you guys need to follow my Discord. Get on my Discord if you can, and I'll let you guys know when we go live. Like I said, if I don't post, obviously I'm not going live. So don't expect me to be going live every day or any of that. Annie, thank you. Marianne, thank you. I asked my question. I don't know what you said. I didn't hear what you said. Ask it again. You can't say I asked my question. You gotta ask it 1,000 times. Gotta ask it 1,000 times when the chat's buzzing this hard and I'm trying to focus on the chat and myself at the same time. You gotta ask quick. No expectations, you know what I'm saying? You gotta ask quick. That's what I do. I spam. I say, yes, answer me. Favorite creator, answer me. What's for lunch? I actually think I grabbed a pizza from Tim's. No, I grabbed a yogurt. And berries. I was gonna get a pizza, but I decided to get a nice yogurt. So I grabbed yogurt and berries. You're my favorite. Good. CJ, thank you. Seaside, thank you, guys. Thank you for the gifts, guys. Thank you. Alex will want pizza. Yeah, you'll want pizza. Sucks for him. He's not getting pizza unless he's ordering his own. Because I don't got no pizza here. So unless he's bringing me some Little Caesars pizza right to my doorstep, there's no pizza coming, Alex. I hope you're listening to this right now. Yo, Stacy, thank you. Michelle, thank you. Love language. I would say physical. Not what you guys are thinking. Maybe a little bit, but just a little bit of touching, feely. Kind of showing me where I'm supposed to go, what I'm supposed to do. You know, I need to be led to the destination. I'm not much of a destinator leader. Actually, sometimes. Hey, brother. But I'm more of a...
William, right?
Yeah. Thanks, bro. I'm on live right now.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye, bro. But yeah, so you guys are my destination. No, I'm just joking. But yeah, that guy was a really nice guy. Really good guy. Had a big smile on his face this morning. See, it's always good to see nice, positive people in the morning having a good time. All right, let's get this out. Let's see what you said. Does the delivery guy, same guy every day? No, it's not the delivery guy every day. It's different guys every day. No, Cheeto, if you come out again, I'm gonna be very upset. You're gonna be going in your kennel. That's ridiculous. Like, come on, bud. He's actually trying to run away now. Like, he thinks he's like Superman or something. No, you're not Superman, bud. TikTok's not sure when I do TikTok. I'll do TikTok when I feel good, when I want to do a TikTok, and you'll love my TikTok. If you do, if you don't, that's fine. Do what you want to do. Go like Matt Rife if you want. Go love Matt Rife for a little bit. Go hang out with Matt Rife. I just want the people that love me. It's all the people I want. All the people that want me, alright? Alright? So you guys do what you want. No cares in the world. Honestly. If I have one person loving me, that's it. That's it. Hey, buddy, what's up? What's good? How you doing? You good? I'm not answering stupid questions. So you guys I might sit here, watch you guys all day. I don't answer stupid questions. I'll get off live and never come on again. Honestly, I'll answer what I want because a lot of people just absolutely ridiculous questions, honestly. Ridiculous, like, come on. No real questions, just a lot of people just say things just to whatever it is. So I'll sit here until I see some better questions or whatever it is, and then I'll just get off. It's just ridiculous. How's PJ? PJ's good. Our relationship's good. I don't know exactly how PJ's doing. Maybe ask him if he wants to answer. But my dad, PJ, my father, our relationship's good. Our relationship's pretty good. Do we work on it every day? Yeah, we do, because we're real people. So we work on it every day. Every day. Real things. Diane, thank you. Pauline, thank you. Have you seen Matt Rife? I haven't seen Matt Rife, no. I haven't. I DM'd him. I'm not sure if he DM'd me back or anything, but I DM'd him. He said, thank you for the cameo. I said, let's meet up. He never answered. So I guess that's his loss. Cheryl, thank you for the roses. Karma, thank you for the roses. CJ, thank you for the hearts. Toppers, top that screen. Toppers, top that screen. He's a busy guy. I don't care how busy you are, all right? You got good opportunities knocking on your doorstep. You answer those You answer those opportunities. I don't care how busy you are. You answer those opportunities. That's my advice. Pauline, thank you. Shannon, thank you. Yogurt looks good. Yeah, yogurt's really good. Really good. His loss. That's it. He can come when he wants. His loss. Rebecca, Mary, thank you. Can you do a live while cooking? Maybe. I'll do a live when I want to do a live. And you guys will be surprised. I'll come on. Listen, I've been a people pleaser for how long? And how many people still bash me and leave my lives and still give me there's no more of that bullshit. It's actually just horse manure, honestly. So you guys can just come here and watch my lives, and if you like it, you support, you don't, you can leave. If I don't friggin' make you happy, you go. You know what I mean? A lot of people saying they've never done that. I've dealt with you for friggin' years of giving me shit over little things, so be careful with what you spread out there. Be careful. Honestly. JJ, thank you. Rana, thank you. Do you still enjoy going live? Yeah, I love going live. I wouldn't be live right now if I didn't go live. It's not just for money. If I wanted to make money, I'd be a stripper and I'd make more money than I am right now. I'd do whatever I want. I'd make money doing it. No problem. No issue. Anything I want, I'd do it. I go live because I like going live. Of course. I wouldn't go live if I didn't like going live. Marianne, thank you. Irene, thank you. Even if I wasn't making money from live, I'd still go live to talk to people. I love talking to people. I love people a lot. Hey. What's up, Jacques? I'm on live.
Oh, you're live?
You wanna say hi?
Yeah, what's going on?
Housekeeping?
What up?
Housekeeping.
Housekeeping, you want me to jerk you off?
Want me to jerk you off?
What's up, brother?
Well, not much.
How you doing?
Good, bro. How are you?
I'm okay, bro. I'm a little tired.
Dude, it's a gloomy day.
It's a gloomy day. I got attitude on live. Not bad attitude. I wouldn't call it bad. Some people would call it bad attitude, but I'm just like, the people that know me know I'm just fucking.
Yeah, just fucking around.
Yeah, just fucking around. Only people that like don't know me get pissed.
He's just joshing. He's just joshing you. Oh, man.
Oh man. I'm not wearing boxers right now though. Gotta be careful.
Comfy fits for the gloomy day.
Guys, I'm not wearing boxers, so be careful. Don't be zooming in.
Don't zoom in. Don't expose.
140K tops, let's go, baby.
Hey.
The boys are back.
boys.
The boys are
Come
back.
on.
And they're looking for trouble. Yo, do you want to make a BCB TikTok today? For the girls?
I'm down.
Or for us? Should we do it for us or for them?
OGs?
Should we do it for us or for them?
Both.
Both. See, I'm telling you, I'm teaching you guys balance in life, all right, everyone?
That's the most important thing.
Yeah, I think we should do that actually. A nice BCB TikTok. The ladies need it. The ladies need it. All right, guys, what song should we do, guys? Rana, thank you, guys. Jules, thank you. Thank you, guys. What song should we do? Actually, we could look for songs. We're pretty good at that. Look for a sick song. We should do one on Alex's account, too. He needs another one buzzing.
What's that?
You need another one buzzing. Another TikTok. Like, you need a good one. You haven't posted. Like, you're gone. You're not a TikTok.
I know, I haven't posted in like months.
Right?
Just been going live.
Chanel, Brandon, thank you. Pick out your favorite song. Okay, yeah, we'll do that. We'll make one right now. I'll come back on live. Make a quick one right now so you guys can see it. What do you guys think about that? Yeah or no? You guys want me to make a quick one right now? I'll come back on. I'll be right back. Alright, I'll be right back.